Welcome to this mini tutorial on how to create a project within COR. Let's begin. From the Projects list, click on the blue plus sign button at the bottom left-hand corner. This will take you to the Project Creation module. Here you will enter the project's name, the client, and select whether this project is being created from a template or as a blank project where the tasks will be created later. By clicking Next, you'll be able to add in all the necessary details for the project, including the start and end dates, frequency, any brands and products, amount of deliverables, and the project brief. By clicking Next, you can then select different users or teams as members of the project. The final step is to assign the budget information, either from a set fee or a one-time quotation. Once you're done, click Create Project. That's it. If you selected Blank Project in the first step, you will need to manually add the necessary tasks and assign them to the corresponding collaborators.